Thapa sir, he is head of the Department of Oral Health. Professor Suryadeep Singh, pediatrics.
And then you have the ear part.
All over the country, last 3 years itself, we must have sent 1,000 crore rupees to the bank account of those who got affected with tuberculosis in this country to give them the nutritional support. This is the level of commitment of this particular government. And we want to actually eliminate tuberculosis by 2025. There's similar movements happening around universal immunization program. We want 100% children to get, we don't want to be happy with 90% or 80% and many children being left unimmunized in this country in spite of a robust universal immunization program. We want to get rid of many more diseases. And of course, this being a oral health day, for me it's a very pleasant and a very satisfying feeling, because I was there in the health ministry for 5-6 months in 2014, and I initiated this activity around drafting a oral health policy for the country, oral health program for the country, which got finalized. And I am happy that your department here in PGI has been given one additional responsibility of being a national resource center for ensuring that we make it a big movement in the country. We train people around and then it has contributed significantly to the development of the oral health policy. Between the 20th of December and the 21st of December, a dream was born with the blessing of God. And from that day, I started working for a polio-free India. And when we started working, we started work with a core group of only 4 people. There was a health secretary, there was a Maulana Azad Medical College professor, there was a private pediatrician, there was a management expert. And the very next day, you got all papers from WHO about whatever has happened in polio all over the world. And reading that for 10 days, I came to the conclusion that it was a Herculean task, but it was not impossible for India to do it. If Brazil can do it, if American nations can do it, why can't India do it? And I remember when we did it for the first time in Delhi, all my senior most professors in medical colleges, we all feel proud of them. Everybody, every professional, our doctors, they were running in the streets, creating the movement. And at 5 o'clock they got up and went to places 40 kilometers away to be part of a polio kendra. Rest is all long history. I had the privilege to, in 2014, receive the WHO certification for a polio-free India. It could be possible because the whole country stood up. All our professionals stood up.